So, good morning, everybody. In last video, we have learned about the periodic trains in physical property of atomic radius and ionic radius. In this module, you will learn about the physical property of elements like ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electronegativity along the group and period in periodic table. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged as increasing order of atomic number. So regular variation has been observed across the period and the position of elements in the periodic table determine the physical and chemical properties of elements. And these physical properties are ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electronegativity. So periodic train in physical property mainly depends on two factors: the force of attraction between the valence electron and nucleus. Second, the shielding of outer electron from nucleus. The shielding effects arises due to repulsion of electron from each other. The more is the number of inner electron between the inner electron, the more is the repulsion between inner and outer electron, and more is the shielding effects. Let's explore ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy required to remove an electron from gaseous atom or anion in its ground state. And ionization enthalpy is expressed in kilogram per mole. As the process of removal of electron is always associated with absorption of energy, ionization energy is always positive. Okay. The energy required to remove first electron from its neutral atom is called first ionization enthalpy, and on the other hand, energy required to remove second electron from its unipositive ion is called second ionization enthalpy. For example, magnesium ion and unipositive magnesium ion. So, removal of one electron from outermost cell of magnesium atom, that is first ionization enthalpy, and removal of second electron from unipositive ion of magnesium is known as second ionization enthalpy, and second ionization enthalpy is always more than first ionization enthalpy. Let's see the variation of ionization enthalpy along a period. In a period, successive electrons are added in the same cells with increasing number of protons in the nucleus. And this causes force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron to increases, while the increase in shielding effects is comparatively much lesser. It causes ionization enthalpy increase across a period. For example, second period lithium to neon ionization enthalpy increase across a period. On the other hand, on moving down the group, distance between nucleus and outer valence electron increases due to increasing number of shells from top to bottom. Therefore, the attraction between nucleus and valence electron decreases due to increasing number of inner electron, and the shielding of outermost electron increases. That causes ionization enthalpy decrease down a group. These are certain regular variation, at certain exceptions has been observed. For example, beryllium, removal of valence electron from beryllium is more difficult to removal of 2p electron from boron. Similarly, removal of 2p electron from nitrogen atom as compared to 2p electron from oxygen due to half-filled stable configuration. Now let us explore electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is the energy change taking place during the addition of an electron to a neutral atom. If the electron gain enthalpy is negative if the energy released during the addition of electron. On the other hand, if the energy is absorbed during the process of electron gain enthalpy is positive. So electron gain enthalpy become more negative across a period. With increase in atomic number, this is because the attraction of added electron increase across a period. However, at the end of period, electron gain enthalpy become highly positive for the noble gases, and this is because noble gases have stable configuration and therefore have least attraction for the new electrons. Elements of first group, on the other hand, moving down the group, the elements of first group electron gain enthalpy become less negative. The electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more negative as compared to fluorine. Because fluorine has smaller size than that of chlorine and therefore electron entering into the second cell suffer a significant repulsion from other electron of the cell. So now you have learned about the periodicity of ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy. Let's explore electronegativity of elements. So, the periodic trends has been observed in electronegativity of elements. It referred to ability of atom in a molecule to attract the shared electron towards it, and the element with high electronegativity. 1 minute. Yes, the element with high electronegativity attract the shared electron towards itself and acquire the partial negative charge, and the other element with low electronegativity acquire the partial positive charge. So electronegativity usually increase across a period till group 17. As group 18 elements do not form covalent bond, no electronegativity values has been observed or measured for them. And the variation of electronegativity of third period has been shown graphically as. On the other hand, electronegativity decreases down the group as the attraction between nucleus and valence electron decreases. For example, electronegativity can be depicted as shown graphically for second group. In this module, you have learned that ionization enthalpy is energy required to remove an electron from gaseous atom or an ion in its ground state. Second ionization enthalpy is usually higher than first ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy increase along a period and decrease down a group. Electron gain enthalpy is defined as the energy change taking place during the addition of an electron to a neutral atom. Electron gain enthalpy usually become less negative down a group and more negative in a period, but the end of each period it become highly positive for the noble gases. So electronegativity is the ability of an atom in the module. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom in molecule to attract the shared electron towards it. So electronegativity usually increase across a period and decrease along a group.